Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to display your tabs inside the Page Sidebar browser extension. Before we get started, let's quickly talk about what the Page Sidebar browser extension is. Page Sidebar is a browser extension that adds a customizable sidebar to your web browser. It lets you view any web page in the side panel, such as Google search, YouTube videos, news websites, and more, without switching between windows or opening new pages. Now, let's move on to how you can show your tabs in the Page Sidebar. First, right-click on the Page Sidebar icon and select the Menu Item Options. This will open the Page Sidebar Options page. Next, in the left navigation bar, click Advanced Options and scroll down until you see the Tabs section. Enable the checkbox Open Multiple Tabs in the sidebar. Now you'll see a tab strip added to the Page Sidebar. You can search and open multiple tabs, and by clicking on any tab, it will show that page again. By default, when you close the Page Sidebar, it resets everything to a single tab with the drag-and-drop panel visible. If you want to save your last session, go to the Basics tab, scroll down to Start Page, and enable the checkbox to save the last opened URLs when the sidebar is closed. Now, for example, if you have Google and YouTube open, closing and reopening the sidebar will restore these tabs exactly as you left them. And that's it. You've successfully shown your tabs in the Page Sidebar Chrome extension. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.